If you're wondering how to use a Coursera affiliate discount link, the process is actually very simple and can help you access the latest Coursera Plus deal. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the current Coursera Plus discount, and the savings are usually applied automatically when you sign up. A lot of people think they need to enter a coupon code manually, but Coursera often activates promotions through special links instead. That means you can usually claim the discount without typing anything at checkout. Here's how it works. First, click the link in the description below. Next, sign into your Coursera account or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Then choose the Coursera Plus plan that fits your needs. Personally, I think the annual plan offers the best value because it provides the biggest savings over the long term. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's less than $20 per month for unlimited learning. Once you continue to check out, the discount is typically applied automatically. In most cases, no additional code is required. With Coursera Plus, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from leading companies and universities like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you're learning AI, Python, business, cybersecurity, marketing, or data science, the subscription can save you money if you plan to complete multiple programs during the year. Since promotional pricing is only available for a limited time, the current deal may not always be available. If you want to access the latest Coursera Plus offer, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the discounted page before the promotion ends.